Hey guys, Mr. Price here. Today, we're going to be finalizing our personal narrative ideas. Before I get to talking about how I want you to list them, I want to discuss just a little bit of the criteria about choosing the ones that you think are your best. First of all, it should be a small moment story, not a list. You don't want to choose the time that you went to Cedar Point and tell everything that happened that day, because that would just be a list. You went on the raft, or you went on the power tower, or a bunch of other things. That would just turn into a list and would not give the details that we're looking for. You want to choose a small moment story that gives you lots of details. Now, if you chose a moment when you were at Cedar Point and a bird swooped in and flew into your ice cream cone and got its head stuck or something like that, that would be a small moment story that you could tell that takes place at Cedar Point. It's not that I'm against things taking place at Cedar Point, it just can't be a list. I hope that clarifies it a little bit more. Again, make sure that you're including lots of details. Choose a moment that allows you to activate those things, where you could describe what you're seeing, what you're hearing, what you're feeling, what you're smelling, if applicable, what you taste. Lastly, choose a moment from your life that makes you excited to share it. Choose something that you're going to be passionate about. And if you're not passionate about it, it's okay. But I'm just saying it'll make it easier if you choose a story that you're excited to tell and that you're excited to share with the world and with me. Now, when it comes to actually writing your personal narrative ideas down, I want you to write kind of just a little quick title for it. I use some of the ones that I told in my videos as examples. So I labeled the silly putty problem, which would have been that one about my dad having the silly putty stuck between his seat and the chair. And I gave a quick little one-sentence synopsis of it. I annoyed my dad, ruined his chair and pants with silly putty. I would like you to do the same. Just put a little title and a quick little 1 or 2 sentence explanation. I don't want you to tell the whole story. Just a little thing that gives me an idea for where you're going with the story. And then I'm going to look these over. I'm going to approve your idea, your number one. And then next week we'll talk about how we go about building these personal narratives. Alright, well, thanks for all your hard work. I look forward to hearing these stories and developing them with you. Have a great day, everyone.